Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 510. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the screen on your Lenovo Ideapad 510 flops backwards on its own, you're not alone. This issue typically occurs due to a malfunctioning hinge or a loose connection within the hinge assembly. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly in the long run. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement hinge assembly specific to the Lenovo Ideapad 510. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your plastic spudger. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you should now see the hinge assembly. Look for any obvious signs of wear or damage, particularly around the hinge area. If the hinge appears to be broken, it will need to be replaced. To extract the faulty hinge, locate the screws securing it to the laptop chassis and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Remember to keep these screws organized. You may need to disconnect any cables that obstruct the hinge removal, so do this gently to avoid damaging them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old hinge is removed, take your new hinge assembly and align it with the mounting points on the chassis. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this could strip the screws. After the hinge is secured, reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are seated correctly. Now it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, replace the screws you initially removed to secure the back panel. Power on your device and check the screen's functionality. It should now stay in place without any issues. To prevent this problem from reoccurring, be sure to avoid applying excessive force when adjusting the screen angle. Regularly inspect your laptop for any signs of wear, and ensure it's not subjected to undue stress. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.